Hey, what's happening? Paul here with Back to Primal. Today I have another Move Now Primal Flow for you to give a try. If you've missed the previous videos in this series, I'm putting them all together in my Move Now Primal Flows playlist over on my channel, and I'll leave a link up here somewhere up in one of the corners on the screen. Alrighty, let's get into today's flow. So today's flow consists of the monkey crawl or the ape crawl and the ape roll or monkey roll. This combo is great for working some lateral movement, and we're working out of the deep squat. We're also loading our hands and shoulders on the crawl portion right here. And we're getting some of the side bending on the monkey roll right there. A lot of us don't spend enough time day to day on lateral movements. We're constantly either moving forward or moving straight back, in these more linear fashions. So it's good to get some lateral movement in some of these movement flow sessions. Especially this nice side bend right there, really getting a good stretch all through the side of the rib cage. Let's take a look at this one from another angle, get a little bit of flow in, and then we'll look at part B of today's Primal Flow. So for part B of today's flow, we're going to be pretty much doing the inverse. Instead of the monkey roll, we're going to transition into the crab using this step over sweep technique. Another great lateral movement that develops a little bit more of coordination, but also puts more load and some rotation into the shoulders. Just as a reminder, these flows are not about repetitions or sets. It's just about finding some flow and getting your body moving. Keeping it strong, keeping it mobile, and having fun exploring some new movement patterns. Feel free to make any changes or modifications. You can speed it up, you can slow it down, find places to pause, add in things, take out things, switch things around. It's all about explore, experiment, and discover new potentials with your body. Let's enjoy some flow, and I'll see you back here in the next Move Now Primal Flow session. Be sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and go to the channel and check out the Move Now Primal Flow series playlist and catch up on all the different flows and all that's to come.